Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the official Microsoft Visual Studio Code on Arch Linux. Before we get started, if you want a more secure and private browsing experience on Arch Linux, I've included a NordVPN link in the description with a special discounted offer. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market and works great on Linux, helping keep your online activity private and protected. Now let's get started. If you already have an AUR helper like Yay installed, the process is much easier and more straightforward. So you need to install it first. To begin, open up your terminal or console. The first thing you want to do is update your system. Type the update command, enter your password, and allow the system to refresh and update all installed packages. Once that's done, you can move on to installing Visual Studio Code. This package is available through the AUR, and the repository is well maintained, which makes the installation process very simple. Type the install command and press enter. You can keep all the default options during the process, so there's no need to change anything. Just confirm when prompted and wait for the installation to complete. This step may take a little longer depending on your system and internet speed. Once the installation is complete, Visual Studio Code will be fully set up on your system. The easiest way to launch it is by typing code in the terminal, but you can also find it in your application menu. To confirm that this is the official Microsoft version and not the open source code OSS build, you can check the application information. When you open it, Visual Studio Code launches normally and is ready to use right away. And that's basically it. That's how you install the official version of Visual Studio Code on Arch Linux. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.